You are viewing right now one of the most popular windows in our sanctuary, returned from Scottish stained glass and renewed. This is a beautiful window of Jesus praying in the Garden of Gethsemane, a beam of light coming from above, a sign of revelation. What a wonderful piece of art it is, with the darkness of a storm and the light of God shining through. And also how appropriate that this window was dedicated by the women of the church in memory of Nettie Nash. Mrs. Nash died in a terrible accident, riding in a carriage with the minister, William Craig. Reverend Craig was riding with his horse-drawn wagon, and something spooked the horse, and Nettie Nash was a victim. How appropriate that this window contains inside of its scriptural message the promise, the hope, the prayer of us all. Not my will, but thy will be done. How great a burden it must have been for Reverend Craig to carry in his heart and his soul that he was a part of an accident that took the life of such a charitable and giving woman. How appropriate that all of us would remember that there are dark times in our life, but the light can always shine through. Gordon wrote a poem, "Life is mostly froth and bubble. Two things stand like stone: kindness in another's trouble, courage in our own."